At A1 Windscreens, we put our customers' needs above all else. We first opened our doors in 1989 and have since then provided top-notch first-class services at affordable prices. These services include same-day on-site replacements of windscreens, free chip repairs with new windscreen replacements, free assessments of cracks and chips, and more. We also have do-it-yourself windscreen replacement kits and car tint kits available. Rest assured, we employ Seeker-accredited and certified installers, all of whom do their industry training at Gordon TAFE to ensure your windscreen replacement meets the highest industry standards. To know more about what we can offer, call our Hallam Centre on 03 8795 7400 or our Pakenham Centre on 03 5945 0333 or visit one of our windscreen replacement centres in person. Don't hesitate to ask us for a fast turnaround time and about our best prices and deals. We'll work hard to keep you a customer for life.